Imagine waiting months for a new camera, finally getting it before anyone else.
Congrats.
Thank you so much.
You're probably one of the only ones in the whole US.
Dude, yeah. Thank you. And then it breaks. This is not supported by this app version or DJI Mimo. So yeah, I don't know why it's not working. So I've always loved 360 cameras, right? The ease of setting it down and worrying about it in post is perfect for a lazy person like me. When I heard DJI was finally dropping a 10-bit one, I was so excited. I even sold my Insta360 X5 just to be ready. Then launch day comes, July 31st. I was ready to go to Best Buy and pick it up just like I did on the first day of the Insta360 release. Every website says out of stock. At first I thought, wow, demand must be crazy. But turns out, nope. The US wasn't even part of the launch. Because of DJI's whole shaky relationship here, they didn't even release it in the States. I decided to pre-order from Adorama. They said I was 40th in line and they would probably get it to me by the 17th. I was excited. I'm a pretty impatient person when it comes to tech, so I have to commend myself because I actually waited the 17 days. I called Adorama and they tell me they have no idea when the shipment will get there. Anyways, I cancel. The same day I find a little shop called Downey Camera. They've got 3 in stock and I call, reserve one, and drive 45 minutes just to buy it.
Gotta go, man. You gotta go.
Oh shit, I went the wrong way. Ah! That's going to add me 2 minutes to the trip and someone's gonna beat me there. And then I'm gonna have to wait 18 more days again. We did it! We did it!
Oh my god.
Dude, yeah. He was saying
Wait.
that we're probably one of the first people in the US that aren't like super crazy content creators that have it in the US. This morning, when then I canceled my order,
Uh-huh.
I didn't know I was gonna get it today. I'm pretty happy, like I can't stop smiling. On my drive home, I'm hyped. Like I just scored something exclusive. I did a little unboxing when I got home, and everything looked perfect. I took it out to volleyball, tested the recording, plugged it in, and no overheating. I'm thinking, this is great, because this is exactly what I need it for.
Oh, that's sweet. Nice swing. Nice. Oops. Oh, nice hit.
And then that night, everything changed. The Fire Nation attacked. Exporting footage, all good. Go to bed, check the camera one more time, and I see a black screen. I think the lens cap's on, but nope, it's stuck in super night mode. I can't leave the setting, factory reset it, nothing. Tried every trick online, and nothing, it's just on the black screen. So yeah, my brand new $800 camera was bricked overnight. Ever since last night, I tried to turn this on, just to make sure you can see this. No work. It's just a black screen. Next morning I hit up DJI support. And man, that's when things got even worse. Support tells me, oh yeah, your warranty is only valid in South Korea. I'm like, what? I literally bought this thing at Downey in California. The store, they say final sale. And if I want to exchange it, it's a 15% restocking fee. And they don't even have the camera in stock anymore. Yeah, the screen's just black. And then when I try to connect it to my phone,
it was just black on startup.
I used it yesterday
Oh, it was working?
and it was working. And then I exported some footage onto my laptop. Oh yeah, so this happens when I try to connect it. So I thought I could like downgrade the firmware through the app, but then I can't even get to anything when I get to this page. Just a little worried. Like I just dropped off my camera and I paid money for it. So like I'm leaving empty-handed. I don't know if these people are shady, but they have a store. So I can always find them. So I guess that's good. Yeah.
How do you feel about leaving your camera?
It kind of feels like it feels like I went to the doctors for it, and then I waited in the lobby to see if everything was gonna be all right, and it felt like I just dropped off my little baby at the doctor's, and I was just waiting. I don't know. It just felt weird. In less than 24 hours, my camera had broken, and I was down over $800. And DJI's like, good luck. I kind of feel better about like leaving my camera because they said they were gonna try to figure it out. But here's what gets bigger than just me. As of July 1st, 2025, DJI straight up ended their extended warranty. In the US, stuff like care refresh, care renewal, all gone. Even if you buy from an official US retailer, you can't sign up for these things anymore, whether it's a drone or an action camera. And on top of that, DJI is in a shaky spot here. Customs are already slowing down shipments, and if they don't pass the federal security review by the end of this year, sales in the US could get banned completely. So yeah, not exactly the best time to be an early adopter here. I'm just stuck waiting to see if the store does anything.
Guess what? I have a content suggestion for you. Since you got this camera yesterday, you could actually create or start a story and just vent online about like what you went through and like how you just left your camera there and like
Because I can't even like send it out because it's not covered through warranty for some shit.
Yeah, and you could just like educate people and just notify people, share with them like how your customer support.
I kind of like, I hate it that I feel like it's somewhat my fault because I bought a product too early.
No, it's not your fault.
I bought it like knowing that they're not really shipping to the US right now, so that I know all of these things. I know that big retailers aren't getting it, and I know that I have to go out of my way to find these small camera shops or go on Facebook Marketplace. I can't get it in this country, and I can't help but feel stupid because like I did this. I bought something that wasn't readily available, and maybe this is the reason why, you know? That's how I feel.
It's not your fault. That's the Asian in you talking.
If you want to see how the saga ends, hit the follow.